ConvertKit landing page tutorial: how to create free landing page using ConvertKit. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and for today's video, we will be breaking down how to create a landing page for free using ConvertKit. So without further ado, let's get into it. By the way, I prefer to use this website builder, especially if you want to get high conversion on your landing page. You can tell by its name, ConvertKit, it means that this platform or this software is designed to convert audiences, and that's what we want if we create a website or if we create a landing page. We want to convert our audience or visitors into clients or buyers. That's our goal, and this software is designed to help you achieve that. So to start with, visit convertkit.com. This is the homepage. And before we sign up or log in, let's first check its features and pricing very quickly. Here in this software, you can create your landing page, do email marketing, create e-commerce store, email sign-up forms, and more. And for their pricing, they have free plan where you can start and try the software if it will suit your needs. From their free plan, you can create unlimited landing pages and forms, which is really great. You can also sell digital products and subscriptions. They have creator plan for $9 per month up to 300 subscribers, and creator plan for $25 per month, and these premium plans includes more advanced features than the free plan. And price will depends on number of subscribers. As you can see here, if you have more than 300 subscribers, the price of your plan also increased. So here I already created an account. So let me just log in. But if you don't have an account yet, then just sign up with your email and create password. No worries, for the free plan, there's no bank card required. So here I just log in, and this is the main homepage. Here you have inspiring story to read, tip videos to watch, and you can also join some community. To start creating a landing page, just go here, grow, and select landing pages and forms. Here, if you already created a landing pages and publish it, you'll see the performance of your landing page here. So to create a new landing page, just go here, create new, and choose landing pages. And just wait for a while it may take some time for you to be redirected to another page. And you will be redirected to template page to choose a template for your landing page. So here, just choose a landing page template that you like and suit to the type of landing page that you like to create. So let me just scroll down and find a perfect landing page template for the landing page that I want to create today. So let me just check and preview this template here. So here's the template preview now. So if you don't like the template, then you can choose another template here. But let me just choose this template. And after that, you'll be prompted to the editor page to edit your landing page. You can change everything here. So assuming that I will be creating a coaching landing page here about weight loss, for example. So let me just change the text here. This is your header. And let me type here how to lose weight fast without going to extremes exercise. So for example, this is the landing page, and this is what this landing page all about weight loss. So let me correct the exercise here. I just misspelled it. I do apologize. And after that, here you can change it to like join us today and get a 7 days free coaching, just to entice your visitors to register and sign up with their information. And you can use their information for your email marketing. And down here, you can also provide a short description about yourself and how you help others to lose weight if you already have an experience. And make sure that your message here can inspire someone to take actions to register and be your client. So now going here, let's make changes here. So let me first change this name. So let's change it to your coach. And also I will be changing the name here. And you can also change the photo. So just select and here you can edit or replace your own photo. Just upload your own photo here. But here, as I said earlier, that you must select templates that is similar or suit to the landing page that you want to create. Because just like this one, this template I choose is for live webinar and there is a date here for the webinar. And I don't need this. I am creating a coaching landing page, but I have no options here to delete this since this is like a default that comes with the template. So here I will skip this and I will just change this to join us today. And I will just keep this. Don't miss your chance. Fill out the form below and sign up today. So again, make sure that you preview the template and make sure that all the information there are the information that you need to create your landing page so that you will not be encountering this kind of error that I cannot delete this one. So going forward here, my visitors can provide their email to register and also I can add more field here. For example, I also need to get their names and also their address like city and country before they can sign up. And also I will be changing this one to sign up for free. And after that, scrolling up here in your settings under general, you can set up the message that will show up when your visitors sign up. You can show them this message, or you can also edit this one, or you can redirect them to another page when they sign up. Just provide the URL here that you want your visitors to be redirected after they sign up. But let me just keep the message only. And here you can also set up your custom domain, set up advanced settings and SEO and analytics. This is more advanced settings here. And the following meta title and description tags that you will be providing here are used in search result on Google and social media platforms. These texts will not show on actual landing page. The image will be used for social sharing only. So you may also add another page here, like thank you page, for example. So that's how easy and fast you can create your landing page using the ConvertKit. And also, if you like to preview your work to see the actual look of your landing page, just go to preview and you can see here the landing page. And you can also click on exit preview to go back to your editor and you can save your work if you like to. And once everything is set up and you are ready, then you can publish your work for it to be available online and you can share it to your social media for you to get visitors and get subscribers. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below and thank you for watching.